Just a wait. So we are going to start quiz competition. We have 5 teams: Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D. Correct? We have 5 groups. So first round is for Group A. Correct? In Group A, नेहा रणवी से, संस्कृति सोल से दीक्षा चौहान. इन ग्रुप ए नेहा रणवी से, संस्कृति सोल से दीक्षा चौहान. ओके, सो यू आर रेडी? ऑल ऑफ यू आर रेडी? ओके, यस, वेरी गुड. But Diksha is not visible. Where is Diksha? Diksha Chauhan. 2, 3. Group A. Yes. Diksha, correct. Now I can see you. Okay, good. Okay. Let's see the time limit is there. Sanskriti time limit is there. Okay, hardly you will get not more than 2 minutes. Not more than 2 minutes. I have kept what it is called as a timer. Okay, don't worry. I have kept timer. Once the question will display to you, your timer will start. Don't worry about that. Okay, so Group A, your question is on the screen. Okay, so we are going to play quiz. So in that, all of you are ready for quiz, correct? We will start our first round. Okay, so let's see the first round. First question to Group A. All of you are ready? And if you get the answer, send in the chat box. Very important. Send the answer in chat box. Is it clear? Ready? Okay. Shall I just? Okay, let's start. The first question is on the screen. In the given arithmetic progression, find the number of terms in 7, 13, 19, 205. Again, I am repeating the question. In the given arithmetic progression, AP, find the number of term in 7, 13, 19, ... and 205. Your options are option A 26, option A 26, option B 27, option B 27, option C 35, option C 35, option D 34. Again, I am repeating. In the AP, find the number of term in 7, 13, 19, ... 205. Your options are A 26, B 27, C 35, D 34. Your time running out fast. Group A student, Sanskriti, Neha and Diksha. Group B, your answer will be not considered. Group B, answer will be not considered. Don't send the answer. Group B student, don't send the answer, please. Otherwise, your marks will be deducted. Is it clear? Only chance is Group A. And for the audience question is there. Audience, you are ready? Yes, Riya Tiwari, very excited for the question. Okay. Yes, Riya, it is for audience. Who was the first woman judge of Supreme Court? First woman judge of Supreme Court. Name the first woman judge of Supreme Court. It is question for audience. Audience, be ready. Okay, Group A, answer came. Group A, answer came. Correct. 1 minute 52 seconds. In that you have given the answer. Very good. In 1 minute 52 seconds and 26. What is that? Okay. Means, so Group A have given the correct answer. Group A. Let's check it. So you can see the answer. So Group A have given the correct answer. Okay. Okay. But here for the audience, Kanchan, yes, Kanish had given the correct answer. For first woman judge of Supreme Court was M. Fatima BV, correct. M. Fatima BV, correct. Deepak Tiwari also given. Oh, okay. Now come to the Group A for the second question. Okay, ready? Group A, second question. Okay, the circle touches each other externally. 3 circles touch each other externally. How many circles? 3 circles touch each other externally. The distance between their center is 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. Find the radii of the circle. Find the radii of the circle. Your options are option A 2 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm. Option A 2 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm. Option B 1 cm, 2 cm, 4 cm. Option C 1 cm, 2.5 cm, 3.5 cm. Option D 3 cm, 4 cm, 1 cm. Okay, your time starts. Now for audience. Let's see one question for audience. When is the Earth Day held? When is the Earth Day held? Audience, when is the Earth Day held? Riya. Okay, very good. Very good for Riya. Okay, good. Yes, fast. Group A. Group A. 3 circles touch each other externally. The distance between their center is 5 cm, 6 cm, 7 cm. You have to find the radius. Option A, B, C. You have to tell just option, okay? Just you type option. That will also sufficient for me. Neha, what happened? 1 minute 21 second. Okay, got the answer. Neha has typed. Okay. Diksha also typed. Yes, correct. Sanskriti also typed. Okay, all the three answers is correct. Okay. Now I will show what is the answer. Yes. Option A. Correct. Option A. You can see it now. What happened in the answer? Color is changed, na? Yes. Okay, very good. So you are giving good answer. You are going good. Okay, let's move to our third question for group A, and it is the your last question. Okay, for group A. Let's start. The surface area of a sphere is 616 centimeter square, means 616 centimeter square. Its radius is, your time starts. You can use your formula and all those things. Option A, 7 centimeter. Option B, 14 centimeter. Option C, 21 centimeter. Option D, 28 centimeter. Again, I am repeating the question. The surface area of the sphere is 616 centimeter square. Its radius is option A, 7 centimeter. Option B, 14 centimeter. Option C, 21 centimeter. Option D, 28 centimeter. Now, for audience, Ria, ready? Okay, can you tell me highest mountain in Africa? Name the highest mountain in Africa. For audience, highest mountain in Africa. Highest mountain in, yes, Neha, yes, Kashish. Okay, Kanish. Neha Pal had also given, yes, now the answer is coming. Okay, good. Mount Kilimanjaro is the correct answer. Okay, yes, 1:33, 1 minute 33 second, group A, 1 minute 33 second is over. Only 30 seconds is 1:42, 43. Time is running out fast. Time is running out. Okay, from group A, answer received. One answer received. Group A, one answer received. Group A, one answer received. Okay, from group A, one answer received. Let's see what is the answer. Okay, you have given the answer. Let's see the time what she has given. 1 minute 58 second. In 1 minute 58 second, only 2 seconds earlier. Very good, Sanskriti. Very good. I'm happy that you are achieving on proper time. You are giving the answer on proper time. Very good. So let's see the answer. Okay. You can see the answer? Correct. So Sanskriti's answer and Neha's answer, both the answer and my answer is matching. Means your option A is right. Okay. So all the three questions given proper answer. So you have 6 marks total. Yes, Rashmi teacher, correct na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, teacher. So group A got 6 marks. Now they can put their hands down, and the group B, if anyone is present, they can hands up. Yes, correct, Neeraj. But your video is not looking, your hands only seeing. Okay, group B, Om Jaiswal. Samir. Okay, Neeraj. Okay, you are all three are visible properly. Don't worry. Now, so you are ready? Let's see your answer. Okay, your first question is on the screen, and once the question is displayed, your time will start. Let's see the first question. See the diagram properly. So you understood from which chapter it is. Now, in the given figure, CP and CQ are tangents. You can see there, CP and CQ are tangents to a circle with center O. ARB is another tangent. You can see ARB. ARB is another tangent touching the circle at R. If CP is 11 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter, then the length of BR is, your answer starts, your timing starts. Option A is 6 centimeter, option B 5 centimeter, option C 4 centimeter, option D 3 centimeter. Okay. Group B, Samir, your camera is not on. Okay. Yes, I can see you now. Fast. Yes, audience. You are ready? Okay. Tell me, how many languages were originally recognized by the Constitution as regional languages? Group E. Group E, don't send the answer. Group E, your marks will be deducted. Group E. It is question for group B. Yes, send the answer. Group audience poll. Audience will give the answer for this question. How many languages were originally recognized by the Constitution as a regional language? Yet not one is correct. Okay. 149, 150. Group B, your time is running out. Okay. Okay. Group B, Samir, you are not visible. Samir, you are not visible. Neeraj, your video is closed. Fast. 2 minutes 19 seconds is over. So it will be okay. Group B, Samir have given the answer. But I think check the time. Check the time. 26. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Considered. We have given before the time. No problem is there. Okay. So let's see whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay. You have, okay, let's see. Group B, let's see your answer is right or wrong. Let's check it. So your answer is wrong. Group B, your answer is wrong because you have given 4 centimeter. Okay. So your answer is wrong. You can see the answer now. Now you don't worry, Achal, but its answer is wrong, na? Its answer is wrong. Correct, Achal? Its answer is wrong, beta. Then also its answer is wrong. Okay, so it will be not considered. Okay, 4 centimeter nahi hai. मैं आपको बताता हूँ simple logic. It is not 4 centimeter. If you see the question properly, see, CP is 11 centimeter. Correct? CP is what? 11 centimeter. Now BC, you can see BC. BC is 6 centimeter. So 11 minus 6 is what? What it is? Tell now what it is. Okay, 5. Now AP is equal to AB and this BR is equal to BQ. Correct na? So our answer is 5 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay. So you should not argue whether your answer is right or wrong. Once it is said it is wrong, you have to consider it. Okay? Because always I will not explain you again and again. Is it clear? Because time is also running out. We have to complete today one round. Okay, your next question is on the screen. Yes, xi and class is given, class mark is given, frequency is given. You have to find the mode of the following data. You have to find the mode. Your timing starts. Option A, 25. Option B, 40. Option C, 21. Option D, 80. Your timing starts. Fast. Yes, audience, for you. For audience. Okay, your answer came. I got the answer from B group. I got the answer from B group in 38 seconds. Very good. Only in 38 seconds I got the answer. Very good. Let's see your answer. Yes, your answer is right. Your answer is right. So out of 2 questions, 1 question is right. Let's see the third question for group B. Third question. Audience. Okay. Let's see the third question. A single die is rolled. The probability of getting an even number is. The probability of getting an even number is. A 1 upon 6. Your time starts at B 4 upon 6. C 5 upon 6. D 3 upon 6. Okay. For audience, your question is for audience. Yes, answer came from group B. Answer came from group B. Okay. So answer came in 26 seconds. Don't worry, answer came. Okay, let's see. Yes, very good. Thumbs up to you. So out of 3 questions, you have given 2 questions. So your mark is 4 mark. Correct? Okay. Now group C, you are ready? Audience, you have to wait. Please, you have to wait. One question I will give to audience and then I will move to the group C. Audience, you are ready? Which is the largest tree in the world? Audience, for audience, this question is for audience. Which is the largest tree in the world? Which is the largest tree in the world? For group C, your question starts. Group C, yes. Group B, Samir, you can put your hands down, beta. Group B, Samir, you can put your hands down. Okay, thank you. Yes, group C, very good. You have raised your hand, very good. Your question starts. It is on the screen. The sum of the roots of the equation, sum of the roots of the equation, time also starts. X square minus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. Option A is 8. Option B is -8. Option C is 2. Option D is -6. Audience, keep on writing the answer. Your answers are not proper. Your answers are not proper. Still go on writing, audience. Yes, group C. Group C, fast. Yet your answer not came. Group C. Group C. Yet your answer not came. Time is running out. Khushi, Hiral, Preeti, try fast. 1 minute is over. 1 minute is over. Very simple question it is. Very simple. Others group also can solve it the question. But you will not get the marks, huh? But you will get the chance. But not the marks. If they will not tell in, okay, from group C got the answer. From group C, Khushi has typed the answer. From group C, Khushi. Khushi, you have typed 2 answers. Which one is the correct? Khushi. Option B. Okay. Option B you have written. Option B. Okay. That's why I told you to write the option. Okay. Option B. Khushi have selected option B. Yes, Hidal also selected option C. So 2 students have selected option B. Khushi and Hidal have selected. Khushi, what happened? You are writing now by mistake. Option A is final. Let's see the timing. 1 minute 35 seconds. Okay, so your option will be selected because time is there. You have in 2 minutes, you have given the answer. Okay, so your answer will be considered option A. Your answer is pakka lock kiya jaye? Sure na? Because you have selected 2 options, option B and option A. So is your A is a final answer? Shall I lock it? Sure na? Okay, so 2 times she has said yes, means your option A. Let's see the answer. Let's see the answer, whether it is right or wrong. Option A is right. So Khushi, your option A, which you have selected, is right. So you will get 2 marks. Audience are not giving the proper answer. Audience is not giving the proper answer. Audience is not giving the proper answer. Giant redwood is the answer for largest tree. Audience, what happened to you? You are not taking participate actively. Now group C, your second question is on the screen. Tangents from an external point to a circle are perpendicular, not equal, parallel, equal. Your time starts. Tangent from an external point to a circle are A, option A, perpendicular, option B, not equal, option C, parallel, option D, equal. You can see the question. So you are fast. Yes, Ria, for audience. Next question. Okay, from group C, option came. Okay, sure it is your answer. Group C, Preeti, is it in 24 seconds you have given the answer? Sure? Yes. Shall I lock it now? Because you have taken 2 time. Okay. So your answer is locked. Your option selected D, correct? Now it is correct. So you have got 2 marks again. Let's see the third option for group C first. Your question is on the screen. Midpoint of the line segment joining the points -5, 4 and 9 minus 8 is, your timing starts. Option A -2 to option B 7 minus 6, option C 2 minus 2, option D -7, 6. Midpoint of the line segment joining the point -5, 4, 9 minus 8, option A, option B, option C, option D. Okay, from Khushi, group C, Khushi have given the answer. Your option is, you have write the option, that is final answer. Sure? Okay, so Khushi also said that her option C is final. So shall I lock it down? Put yes. You have given the answer in 39 seconds or 40 seconds. 40 seconds you have given the answer. So your answer C is right. Okay. So to the audience, I will give one question to the audience. To the audience, I will give the one question. What is the largest living bird on the earth? What is the largest living bird on the earth? Yes. Group C, your marks is, you have 6 marks. Okay, means all the 3 questions you have given the proper answer. Now group D, I think up to group D we can complete today. Because in group E no one is there. Yes, group D, you are ready? Okay, the mesh camera is not on. The mesh, your camera is not on, beta. Now I can see you. Okay, your question is on the screen. The root of the equation 7x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0 are, your timing starts now. Real and unequal. Option B, real and equal. Option C, not equal. Option D, none of these. Not real. Option C is not real. The root of the equation 7x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0 are, option A, real and unequal. Option B, real and equal. Option C, not real. Option D, none of these. Yes. Okay. From audience, I got the 2 correct answer, 2 or 3 correct answer. Okay. I got a lot of answers I got. Okay, lot of answers I got. Okay, group D, put the option. Okay, group D have written option B, selected option B. Group D have selected option D. So are you sure? Lock किया जाए? Group C, don't send the answer. Group, yes, but I cannot see you. Where group D, Samriddhi is present. Samriddhi, where is she? Only one hand, 2, 3. Hey, in group D, Samriddhi is not there. Samriddhi, you are not in group D. Samriddhi, you are in group E. Samriddhi, you are in group E. You are not in group D. So how you have written group D? You are in group E. Okay, so group D, what is the final answer? Type it again. Okay. B. Let's see what is the answer. So Bhumi, your answer is wrong. You have selected B. The answer is A, real and unequal. Okay. Bhumi, your answer is wrong. You have selected B, but answer is A, real and unequal. Okay. Let's see for second question fast. The total surface area of a hemispherical solid having radius 7 centimeter is, your option is A, 462 centimeter square, option B, 294 centimeter square, option C, 588 centimeter square, option D, 154 centimeter square. Your time starts. The total surface area of a hemispherical solid having radius 7 centimeter. Use the formula, solve it fast, directly. Option B. Okay, Bhumi has said option B. Let's see. Okay, not said. It is earlier option. Okay, audience, question answer is not coming. It is the last question, group D. After this we will stop, and third question we will see in the next lecture tomorrow. Yes. Okay, good. Ria. Now, group D. Send your answer fast. Your 1 minute is nearly to complete. Okay, Samruddhi, you are in group E, huh? So you group E we will take tomorrow. Group E and group D, one question will be remain. Only 2 questions I have given. Fast. Group B, group D. Bhumi and okay, group D. Bhumi have sent option D. Bhumi, shall I lock it now? Your final answer, because it is 1 minute 30 seconds. Shall I lock it? Write fast. Write fast. Show thumb or not. 1 minute 35. Okay. Write fast. Whether it is right or not, shall I lock it? Okay, time is running out. Dharmesh have sent A. So just decide which one should be selected fast. Which one, A or D? Fast. Only 10 seconds is remaining. Fast. I want from Dharmesh have said A. Bhumi, fast. Which one? Okay, Bhumi also said A. Yes. 1 minute 58 seconds. You have given the answer. So A is final. Okay. I am going to lock it as option A. Let's see. Okay. The option A is correct. So out of two question, only one question you have given the correct answer. I am taking one more question. Time is over, but no doubt we will take one question so that this round will complete up to D. Okay, let's see. The questions are on the screen. The first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there? The first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there? Your timing starts. Option A, 35. Option B, 36. Option C, 37. Option D, 38. Fast. Fast. For audience, one more question to you. For audience, one more question to you. What is the lifespan of WBC, means white blood cell? What is the lifespan of WBC, white blood cell? Group D, Dhammesh, you are not visible. Dhammesh, I will not consider your answer. If it is right, I am not going to consider your answer because your camera is off. Dhammesh, your answer will be not considered if it is right. Samyak, only one answer is sufficient. Swam Shilke, only one answer is sufficient. Dhammesh is not, Dhammesh camera is not on, its answer will be not considered. Fast, Bhumi. 1 minute 13 seconds. Yes, it is 2 to 15 days. Audience, those who have written 2 to 15 days. What is the lifespan of WBC? That is white blood cell. 2 to 15 days is the correct answer. Okay, Ria. Yes, group D, your time 151 second, 1 minute 53 second. Time is running out. Dhammesh camera is not on. Dhammesh had given the answer, but its answer will be not considered. As Bhumi, you have given the answer. Exactly at 2 minutes you have given the answer, so your answer will be considered. Exactly at 2 minutes you have given the answer. You have selected option A. Let's see what is the option. Oh, but the answer is D. Answer is D. So 2 question is wrong. So here we have completed up to group D. So you have enjoyed? Just show thumbs up, all of you, if you enjoyed. Okay, very good. So we will